Oh, look at this little mountain chihuahua. Look at this little mountain chihuahua. Here's you. You have that softest ears, you little puppy. Little cutie. Scoop. Oh, shit. There you go. Okay, run free. Bye, potato. So, it is finally nice out. It's going to storm in 4 hours. So we're quickly running out of time. Today, we are ambitiously looking to... We're going to put music things in the Mustang, but also, what are we doing?
Lowering the Civic.
CRX. Oh, boy.
Same thing.
Yeah, we could, yeah, that is to be, yes. So, today we're it's like the first.
Today, we are lowering the CRX.
Yes, this is
1.6 SI.
Yeah. Anyway, so we got some good parts. This is her birthday present. Lowering Springs. Happy birthday. You're old now, and you can have a lowered car. So, you're old, okay? We're all half dead.
Yeah, you're the same age as me, so what's your excuse?
Featuring a little baby Chalhoub.
Chalhoub.
Why is she looking...
Stop, what are you eating? Chalhoub, stop it. I don't know what that is.
She's gonna get thrown around by it. She's the size of Holly's head. So, Minnie, Holly, Nova, currently sitting next to my truck. Yep.
Yeah.
Let's jump right into it. What a brave chihuahua, braving the wilderness of the unmowed back lawn. Anyways, I'm not throwing the camera on the ground. That's where that is, and we need to move that up here. We're gonna do a nice lowering kit right here on this somehow rusty, uneven driveway. Let's make it happen. Bam! So we got our front coils here, we got the rears here, and then a nice old book. Did we get a sticker? Oh, that's awesome.
I got the sticker.
Jesus. That was one thing I was upset about, is that there was no sticker, but we got it, so it's actually a nice little kit here. So anyway, yeah, what was that? Basically just went ahead, got lowering springs for the CRX. So we're gonna have the old Civic had coilovers. My teal Civic has coil sleeves. Not much longer, so things are dangerous. And then we're gonna try lowering springs with factory suspension because it is technically low miles. It's just sat for its entire life in a field, so she's a little crunchy. I don't know if the intro is even a thing for this car yet. I don't think anyone knows we have it, but we have a CRX. Let's go look at it. Throw these things in. She's doing all work today. It's her car. So let's go lift it up, take the wheels off, and there's gonna be no broken hardware or seized bolts or, yeah. Yeah, because it's dangerously under-tooled here, so let's see what we can do. So we are apparently getting reports that she is storming wildly on the north side. So we must hurry. That's a half-hour head start. But this is a stance before. Monster truck stance. Don't mind the rust. This is our barn find. It's actually really clean underneath, and it's an SI. More importantly, it's a CRX. So we're going to drop it 2 1/4 in the front and 2 in the back. And she's going to do the work. Jump right into it. Record, that thing kicked both of our asses just to get it out. It was already unbolted, just dangling there, but she didn't want to come out. She was happy at home. So, it's very confusing weather. It's very warm out, sometimes sunny, and then other times,
Spits on you.
yeah, it's spitting on us like we're cheap, and then thundering and lightning, so yeah. So we're just gonna bang out the other side nice and quick, get them both out, and probably swap springs inside and go from there. Hopefully we'll have the front lowered today. Hoping to do the back. We'll see how it goes, but let's just get that done off camera, right?
Yep.
Let's get her done. So she successfully ripped what? What's going on there? Ripped the other side out. Yeah, someone's got dirty hands. It's raining kind of a little bit, so we're now inside. If you're wondering how we're gonna get this off with you know, spring compressors and all that, no, we're doing the sketchy way that
Don't recommend.
yeah, I guess we could film it though, but yeah, strongly not recommend. We have priceless Honda CRX parts everywhere, Silverado front ends. Oh, and T-tops on a Camaro, glass T-tops. So we're gonna aim it at a door, so when it bounces off of that, the nut comes over here into the windshield. All jokes aside, there's probably, it's not gonna do anything. It'll jump and throw it out the wall. But
Famous last words.
yeah, we'll be fine, or we'll be in the newspaper tomorrow. So honestly, I think I'll do it. I don't feel like watching you shoot yourself in the cornea with a nut at Mach 3. So let's quickly zip these off and let you put your new springs on.
Woo!
So close. 2 1/4 inches lower. Cannot wait. If it's lower than a Mustang, I'll be pissed. Okay, so huge shout out to Brother. Came in clutch. Brought us an assortment of vice grips, and we got there. We're not even going to go into the struggle we have fought for the last hour. It is now windier, colder. She's in a new uniform. It's just, it was a fight. So anyway, we are now looking at our nice old Rusties next to our nice new Skunks. Anyway, so 2 1/4, yeah, 2 1/4 drop in the front. So we're basically gonna go ahead and slam this in, throw it back into the front, pretty straightforward, and then hella low. And then backs, which are usually notoriously much way worse. So we did the easy ones first, and it has fought us every step of the way.
The easy ones.
Yeah. Good old rusty Hondas in the Rust Belt of Canada. So, wouldn't have it any other way. Throw it together. For the record, in that last clip, that totally had the wrong washer, but sorted that one out. So, really is kind of a shame putting really nice looking springs on kind of rusty looking shocks, struts. Ooh, struts. However, it rides fantastic right now. They are the crunch, but they are actually fairly recently, in the last 15 years, replaced, and they're operating as they should. So we're gonna try it out. Obviously, rides like shit. When we start the actual restoration on this, we might want to put new struts in. But for now, slamming it. So we're actually, at this point in time, for real this time, ready to throw it together. I'm gonna go let my baby Chihuahua out, and she's gonna throw this together. And then we gotta do the back. It's been like a 4-hour process because of rust belt things, and then we're only halfway done. So yeah, she needs some wheels though.
Yeah.
Although these are directional wheels, which is very rare. She still needs wheels. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Alright, so it has been some confusing weather. Here we are, it's now sunny. Oh, surprise, the car's done. So, got the radio in the Mustang. More importantly, we got the springs in the CRX. It has been a bit of a nightmare, but we got there. Everything is nice and torqued. Gotta finish off the little axle nut there, but she's getting a workout in.
Woo!
Lifting her. And then we gotta see what the springs actually did. The truth.
Ready?
Nice and easy. Oh, Oh. Alrighty, bounce on the front a bit. Let's settle them. Wow. Yeah, compared to this,
Yeah.
it's sitting level right now and the driveway has a huge angle to it. She's drag spec. Get some slicks on the back. Yeah, that's crazy. Alright, time for the back. Oh boy. God. So we finally got the front end done, threw some cotter pins in there. Between that and the construction, it's going to be really difficult to shoot today. So what we're going to do is spin her around, rip the rears off. Probably no commentary because, again, stuff's happening. So I could tell you were trying to make noise, but it weighed more than you, so only you were flopping around. Anyway, so front end's nice and done. Look at that rake. That is so bad in the back. And you're wondering to yourself, hey, are they ever going to fix the rust? Well, since it's been like 3 weeks since we did the front and it's been sitting, we may have accumulated a lot of stuff. So,
Door panels.
yes, rear quarters. What's that?
Bumper.
No, not, well, yeah. Bumper for the CRX, that's a maybe. We won't even get into that. Factory muffler for an SI.
Yeah.
Over here, I think we have fenders.
Where did you put my tips?
Yeah, where is everything?
Where did you put my tips?
Oh, yes.
Oh.
We got 2 of those. Factory SI tips. So I guess we're gonna stay hella factory exhaust, I guess. Jesus Christ. And then is that a carbon fiber hood? Yes, it is.
Sure is.
You know what's behind that?
A not carbon fiber hood.
A fiberglass hood. Some strange looking side skirts. Wonder what that's about. And then somewhere in here, behind those doors, there's actually totally rust-free fenders. Where the f did I put those? Oh, and a center console. I think that's a fender.
Oh.
I think one's over there. Behind the CRX front bumper, BMW rear bumper, behind the BMW red seats, and the Silverado fenders, we have another one. I can't keep track anymore. So, rear, let's do her.
Donut first.
Yeah, donut first. Okay, fair enough. So cute.
We shouldn't be driving. And he's following in her footsteps.
Well, who would have guessed? In true car fashion, it went wrong. So passenger side came out pretty easy. Driver side, not so much. Chill. The lower bolt on the shock strut suspension into the control arm is seized in the collar as well as it snapped in the nut. So, plan B or C at this point? I don't even know. So we got to order new lower control arms. For the time being, we're going to rip this apart, put the lowering springs in, dangle it in there so we feel like we actually made some progress today. Then we're going to go work on the Mustang, which isn't for a video, it's just maintenance. However, we got all these goodies. Some of these may or may not look like, I don't know, a Wings West kit. And like I said, we have a carbon fiber hood, a fiberglass hood, and fenders. And side skirts. So we don't know what's happening yet, but we got an amazing deal. Pretty much all this, as well as the wheels and the front fenders, for $100. So, oh, and the tips. Yes. Factory tips for the factory muffler for 91 SI, brand new. So yeah, we bought it. Who would have guessed? Couldn't say no to $100. So, next up, you're gonna see us rip these apart, throw some springs in, and then probably wait 2 more weeks, and then finally progress. This is like a month and a half in the making already, and this is as far as we've gotten between work and going wrong. It's been a rough ride. So it's been a couple days. It's been like a week, if I'm honest. This is where we're at. So we had a bunch of bolt C's into the lower control arms on the rear of the CRX. So one Amazon order later, and we have these. We didn't do this for like crazy, you know, Honda performance stuff, because again, these are like the cheapest control arms you can get, although they are actually pretty good quality. Anyway, so went ahead, just got off work, brought all the work tools home. Oh my god, these are heavy. Beat both of the lower control arms out, snapped a couple bolts, but we came prepared. So we got replacement bolts, control arms. I really hope these don't fight me. Like, I hope they go easy. So with a good amount of anti-seize and that, I'm tired. Hopefully we just, one quick nut on each one, pop them off, springs on, put them in, and be done. So the girlfriend definitely wants to be driving her Honda again. This is my little surprise to her when she comes back from work, that we're basically ready to go. So, rip these apart, throw some springs on, and I hope we can wrap this video up and drive it today, or even put it down, or even get most of the hardware in. Let's not get greedy, but let's just hope the next scene is that happening. Please. So it turns out one of the bolts over here completely snapped off in the nut. I didn't notice that yesterday when I was trying to prepare this to be easy, but yeah.
I spy with my little eyes. I found it.
We got one side thrown together. I hear hardware running away.
Better go catch
Yeah,
it.
there's something rolling down the driveway. This side we have stellar jack stand placement, which is fighting us, and there's just absolutely nothing we can do to fix that. So instead, we got everything just getting thrown in.
Checks out.
Yep, let's get her done. It's a beautiful quality, once again, brought to you by construction. This has been 2 months in the making, right?
Yeah.
Pretty much most of the bolts have been replaced, and majority of those are tightened. So,
I love the car. I love the car. I love it.
we just maybe don't love working on the car. Okay, front already lowered, rear, oh boy. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Yikes. Ooh.
Woo!
It's still got to settle too.